Well, I've been drifting, lifting my mind with these spliffs and you're realizing just what I'm missing. So much more than just regrets, cause if you can't love yourself, how can't you love the next show? Well, me and Dirty, we've been kicking this since old school. We had this dream to rock, yeah, we'd be so cool. And I remember just chilling out in my backyard, sipping on some 40s, writing songs, laughing so hard. It always seemed like such a dream to me. It always seemed like it was so far from reality. But deep inside I always knew that this would be my path. And if I ever got a chance, you'll walk with me, it last. But I've been drifting so long from myself and from the pain. Drifting so long, think I found a better way.
I found a better way and now I strive for better days.
I feel like I've been changing, and I don't like just what I see. I feel like I'm the victim in my own worst enemy.
Well, I've been drifting, missing the times we didn't listen to no one but ourselves because we knew we're on a mission. No one ever thought it'd happen for two of the boys to get paid for rapping. I got people looking after me the way I go the path that leads me. Say it's not a job, but we practice like an athlete. Constantly drifting and I finally found what I need. It's passing me in front of speech every time I pass the beach.
Drifting so long for myself and for the pain. Drifting so long, think I found a better way.
I found a better way and now I strive for better days.
Well, I lost my path, but I found my way. We can all learn from our own mistakes. Sometimes I'm wrong, but I learn that way. We won't ever know until we stop. Drifting so long from myself and from the pain. Drifting so long, think I found a better way. I've been drifting, I've been drifting, I've been drifting.
Well, after all, we got to stand tall. As I would tell you about the sound of the way.
Say what you say, I just sail away. She can't stand me, but I miss her face. I feel like drowning, but the tide's too low. And now I'm waiting for the undertow. So I stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, we can break it. Like I know it takes so much. The pressure man come to pressure. gonna bring me down. Gonna stand up strong and hold my ground. Tell me what are we fighting for? Just to do what we done before. Tell me what are we fighting for? Follow me if I'm too loud. Gonna sing my song, gonna sing it proud. No one's gonna bring me down. Gonna stand up strong and hold my ground. Tell me what are we fighting for? Just to do what we done before. Tell me what are we fighting for? Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, we can break it. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, it gets a little better. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, we can break it. It's easy. I got time to get high, I got time to get by. It's easy. We got time for mistakes, we got time to retry. It's easy. So live fast and die young and don't wait to get done. It's easy. And the world keeps spinning long after you go. Well, it's the only life I know. And boy, oh, we have grown. Well, life won't make us change in our own ways. And when we're dead and gone, yeah, the world keeps moving on. So I live my life like it's my final day. And no, I ain't got much to lose. And no, I ain't got much to gain. And I'm satisfied sometimes just staying sane. And I've often lost my mind. And I've gone crazy sometimes. But I know somehow I'm gonna find my way. Rhymes and the stars up in the sky. It's the good, it's the bad, it's the ugly, then there's me. So I guess I'm a little bit of all three. It's a heater, lyrical bender, letter like a speaker. Always looking for the narrow. So what you really thinking about? Something. I tell you what you thinking about. Nothing. It's easy. I got time to get high, I got time to get by. It's easy. I got time for mistakes, I got time to retry. Time for mistakes, I got time to retry. So live fast and die young and don't wait to get done. It's easy. And the world keeps spinning long after you go. I got time to get high, I got time to get by. It's easy. I got time for mistakes, I got time to retry. It's easy. So live fast and die young and don't wait to get done. It's easy. Well, this is how it started.
stars. Two lovers in the dark, on the run from the one that they call Sheriff Spark. 6 guns by the side and bullets round their waist. 2 shots to the sky, signal sign for the chase. The safe was nearly empty and they were nearly free, but was seen by the good eye of the mean Billy Green. And he screamed at the top of his lungs, they're on the run. It's the 2 outsiders, grab your horses and your guns.
I said I wish that we could stay here, but I fear our time has come. Or we can ride out in the darkness, chasing the rising sun. We gotta pack our bags this instant, we're heading southbound to the next town. And if we arrive there so safely, baby, you can lay me down. Lay me down. Lay me down. Lay me down.
Well, it's the story of the 2, always on the move. They got nothing left to lose except their guns and their wounds. Now they're crossing border, sheriff's posse on their tail. They'd rather die together than be stuck up in a cell. They drank up all the whiskey and they partied every night, like it could be the last. The bounty said to shoot on sight. So they chased the endless summer, knew it came with the pride. They wouldn't stop running till they found a paradise, but the sheriff finally found them with the sight seeing red. So the lovers had to shoot them down and fill them full of lead. They were finally free to find a place to lay their head, and when they finally did, he looked at her and then he said,
I said I think that we can stay here, 'cause I feel our time has come, and we can walk down to the ocean.